Hello everyone, I have come with a nice viral math problem. If you want, you can find answer yourself first. You can write it in the comment. Let's start. We will give you two different solutions. Let's start with first solution. First, parentheses 7 plus 3 equals 10. Now, subtraction 10 minus 50 equals negative 40. Now, division, negative 40 divide 5 equals negative 8. Negative 8 times 2 equals negative 16. If you solve it, the problem this way, you made a mistake. Because when solving the problem, we should have paid attention to order of operation. The order of operation is PEMDAS. P stands for parentheses, A stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, S stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here we have another rule. There is no order. Multiplication and division operation are done from left to right. Similarly, addition and subtraction ordered operation are done from left to right. Okay, let's now solve the question according rule. First parenthesis 7 plus 3 equals 10. Now there are subtraction, division, multiplication. First, division and multiplication, left to right. 50 divide 5 equals 10. Now multiplication, 10 times 2 equals 20. Finally, subtraction, 10 minus 20 equals negative 10. The correct answer will be negative 10. Great job! Today we learned the wrong answer and correct answer and the rule behind it. I hope it makes sense now. We reached the end of our video. Now solve the question on the screen. Write your answer in the comments. Let's see if you can find the correct answer. Subscribe from the logo on the screen for new videos. You can check out other videos from the boxes next to it. See you in the next video.